guys, it's Decoy Baby, and I'm here with Decoy Mama, and she's going to be showing her burrito supremes. So stay tuned and watch the video.
You're going to use flour tortillas, the big burrito, iceberg lettuce, sour cream, Mexican cheese, refried beans, and ground beef, 85% lean, and 1 Roman tomato. You don't have to use it. Some don't like it. Some are allergic. You don't have to. It's optional, but I think it tastes better. We'll open a can of refried beans. Even though refried, it's not that oil. You put a little bit milk. You don't need a lot. Cut the hamburger meat. It's done now. You notice it doesn't have a lot of grease? That's where you have to get 85% ground beef. You could use 2 cans if you want, if you have a big family. I only have 4. You're gonna open this. You want to clean this. Then you rinse it. You have to make sure you rinse your vegetables. You cut that big old thing that's on the iceberg lettuce.
Stem.
You get the lettuce. Pour it all in here. And there it goes. Then you're going to cut your tomato. And it's usually me that eats tomatoes. But I love tomatoes. It's good for your heart. You put them in here. And there you go. So you're going to warm them up. We're going to put each tortilla on this one, because I'm going to make them one by one. Be careful, it's going to jump in. Thank you. So you're going to get a scoop of your refried beans. Okay. And then some of your meat. You get the sour cream, put it in the middle. Then you get your lettuce. You put your lettuce in here. You get your cheese. And they don't like tomatoes, so it's just me, like I said. Okay, then you squeeze it. And you roll it. There's one burrito. These are my signature burrito supremes. And press like and subscribe. This is Decoy Mama.